Hello, guys. A very good evening to you all. As we all know, Indian Bank has included the classes for LBO, that is the local bank officer, for the upcoming exam, which is being prepared by Indian Bank. So, we, the team of Knowledgist, we are offering you a complete course, a new batch in which you will be getting live classes and recordings as well, in case you miss any of the live classes. See, we will be giving you a complete set of mock tests also. So, my name is Pragya and I will be guiding you towards the banking and financial awareness portion of the classes. And here we are meeting for the next 30 minutes. So next 30 minutes are going to be in between you and me, a whole discussion regarding the banking and financial approach of ours. So now coming to the session ahead, we will be covering these classes in the form of MCQs, that are the multiple choice questions. Our first question of the day, it is asking, what new role has SBI taken at the India International Bullion Exchange, that is in short IIBX, in the May month of 2024? So what is this question asking us? This question is simply asking us the role that SBI has taken at the IIBX. What is IIBX? IIBX is the India International Bullion Exchange, and we are talking about the May month of 2024. So the four options, what are the options we are being provided with? First option is saying whether SBI will be working as a market regulator, whether as a trading cum clearing member, gold importer, or a financial advisor. So what according to you is the correct answer? Hi dear Sandeep. Praful is already answering. He is already saying the correct answer to be option B, that is trading cum clearing member. One more has answered, that is Amit Kumar, option B. So option B is, friends, it's trading cum clearing member. Here the correct option is option B, which means SBI has taken into account at the India International Bullion Exchange, that is IIBX, as a trading cum clearing member. Okay, so now here comes the question. We are arised with a new question, which is asking, what is this IIBX? What is this India International Bullion Exchange? See, IIBX or India International Bullion Exchange, it is a bullion exchange which basically centered or works in India. And it was launched by our Prime Minister, Honorable Narendra Modi ji. What was the date? On 29 July 2022. Where is it located? It is located at the GIFT IFSC in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. And which regulatory body or the centric authority is currently regulating IIBX? Its name is IFSCA. What is IFSCA, friends? It is the International Financial Services Centers Authority. Clear? So here we came to know few of the static points regarding the India International Bullion Exchange. Now, what is the main work? What is the main action that is being done by IIBX? What are the main works? IIBX basically works regarding the bullion trading. Okay, bullion imports. So work is of trading, imports, investments, vaulting, and competitive pricing as well. So these are the works which are being provided, undergone by the India International Bullion Exchange. Next come the question, what is this trading cum clearing member? What does it mean for SBI to work as a trading cum clearing member onwards? See, a member with a right to trade on its own account as well as on account of its clients. This is being called as a trading cum clearing member. So simply, a member which works or has a right to trade on its own account as well as on the account of its clients is called simply a trading cum clearing member. So SBI now onwards can do the same work. Next question is here, which I would love to ask you guys. Who is the current MD and CEO of IIBX? That is India International Bullion Exchange, IFSC Limited. This question is being asked by me. It will be answered by you. Who is the current MD and CEO of India International Bullion Exchange, that is IIBX. So Sohan has also answered the correct option, that is option B. But the question has been changed. Who is the current MD and CEO of IIBX? That is the India International Bullion Exchange. Anyone knows? I'll be waiting for next 5 seconds. No issues. In this question, what are the things we completed? We completed the static information about the IIBX, and now comes the question, who is the MD and CEO of India International Bullion Exchange? Anyone? No one? How can it be possible, guys? I'll be waiting. This time you will have to answer. Okay. No one? No issues. The current MD and CEO of IIBX is Mr. Ashok Kumar Gautam. And now onwards, you must be remembering his name. The current MD and CEO of IIBX is Ashok Kumar Gautam. And I have already told you, IIBX is being regulated by the International Financial Services Centers Authority, which in short is being acronymed as IFSCA, and is headquartered where? Headquartered in the Gandhinagar, that is Gujarat. Gift. IFSC is in Gujarat. So yeah, the headquarters are in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Next thing comes about SBI. The current chairman of SBI is, yesterday also we discussed, Challa Srinivasulu Chetty. And the headquarters of SBI are in Mumbai. Now, an additional thing is here. What is the tagline? Or you can say the slogan of SBI. It is pure banking, nothing else. So now moving forward to the next question. I guess no one is having any kind of issue regarding this one. Yes, Sandeep has answered. The current MD of C and CEO of IIBX to be Ashok Kumar Gautam. True. Now moving to the next question. Next question is asking, what are the expected benefits of SBI becoming a trading cum clearing member of India International Bullion Exchange, that is IIBX, in the May month of 2024? See, we have to tell the expected benefits which SBI will be imposing for its customers on itself as well after becoming a trading cum clearing member of IIBX. Whether it will increase the gold prices, it will enhance transparency, efficiency, and accessibility in the bullion market. Option C is saying whether it will reduce import duties on gold, or D, that is the introduction of new gold mining projects will be undertaken. What can be the chance after SBI's new work or new action to work or become a trading cum clearing member at IIBX? So Amit has already answered with option B. Let's see what is the correct option. Yes, you are correct. It's option B. That is, SBI's new role is expected to boost trading volumes at IIBX and bring transparency, efficiency, and accessibility to the bullion trading market. If we talk about the information which is being provided by the SBI chairman Dinesh Khara previously. Clear? So now, coming to the next question, here we are talking about the Fitch Ratings. What concern has Fitch Ratings raised about Indian banks' underwriting standards? So, what is this question asking us? This question is asking us the concern that Fitch Ratings has raised about Indian banks' underwriting standards. Whether it is decreasing loan approval rates, rising interest rates, untested risks due to rapid consumer loan growth, or option D, that is increased focus on international market. So, what according to you guys is the correct answer? Anyone knows? Sandeep, Sohan, Praful, Amit? What are the concerns that has been raised by the Fitch Ratings regarding or about the Indian banks' underwriting standards? Anyone knows? Anyone? No one from my dear friends. Okay, so Sohan has answered it to be option C. Let's see. Yes, it is option C, my friends. That is untested risk due to rapid consumer loan growth, which means Fitch Ratings highlighted that rapid growth in consumer loans may challenge lenders' underwriting standards and risk controls, which poses untested risk. So, Sandeep, the correct option, my dear, it is option C. Praful is also correct. Now, coming to the next question. It is asking the total amount of dividends public sector banks are expected to pay to the government in the financial year 24. What is he asking us? This question is asking us the total amount. What is the total amount of dividends PSBs are expected to pay to our government in the financial year 24? Whether these are all in rupees, whether it is rupees 13,804 crores, 1,41,203 crores, whether it is 18,013 crores, 11,300 crores. What, according to my dear friends, is going to be the correct answer? Praful, you have answered maybe for this question. He's saying option C. Amit is saying option B. Let's have a look. The correct option this time, my friends, it is option C. You guys are correct. It is option C. That is of rupees 18,013 crores. If you talk about the financial year of 2024, the PSBs are expected to pay dividends with a total of rupees 18,013 crore to the government. What does it reflect? What does it basically reflect? It reflects a 30% increase from the previous year. If you talk about the FY23, then here you can get an increase or you can witness an increment of 30%. Clear? Now, coming to the next question. What is next question asking? This is also a segment of the previous question. Here we have to tell which bank declared the highest dividend per share among the PSBs. If you talk about the financial year 24, whether the name of the bank is Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda, State Bank of India, or option D, that is Indian Bank. What is the correct answer? See, as fastly you will be answering more number of questions, we will be getting able to cover, my friends. This is not a one-sided class now, not one-sided love. It should be mutual. So that's why your replies are equally worthy. So do reply as soon as possible. Praful is saying SBI. So the correct option, yes, it is option C. That is the State Bank of India, which basically means that the State Bank of India declared the highest dividend among all among all PSBs at rupees 13.70 per equity share in the FY24, which is the highest relative to its face value. So yes, Sohan, Sandeep, everyone is with option C, that is the State Bank of India. Next question is talking about the RXIL. What is this question asking us? This is asking us what milestone did the Reversibles Exchange of India Limited achieve in the terms of invoice financing? If we talk about invoice financing, then what is a new thing, a new peak, a new goal, achievement of milestone that has been achieved by the Receivables Exchange of India Limited, that is in short called as RXIL. Whether it has financed 10 lakh invoices, which is of total rupees 10,000 crores, whether it has financed 50 lakh invoices totaling rupees 50,000 crore, financed over 50 lakh invoices totaling rupees 1 lakh crore, or has financed 5 lakh invoices, which is totaling rupees 5,000 crores. So, talking about the static portion on our first account, which is quite important as well. Who is the current chairman of RXIL? The current chairman of RXIL is S. Raman. Headquarters are in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and RXIL, what is it? It is basically a trade reversibles discounting system, which in short we call as TREDS. What is it? It is a TREDS platform that helps the MSMEs. What are MSMEs? MSMEs are the micro, small, and medium enterprises. It helps the MSMEs to access credit and improve their cash flow. This is the complete one phrased work of RXIL. Okay, and RXIL Limited was firstly established on February 25, 2016, and it is a joint venture which acts between the NSE, joint venture between the National Stock Exchange of India Limited and SIDBI. What is it? It is the Small Industries Development Bank of India. So this was the whole information about, we were talking about the RXIL. That is the Reversibles Exchange of India. Now, should I wait for your answers or should I tell it? Should I be telling you the correct answer or are you interested to answer me? 2 have answered. Okay, 4 have answered. Great. Amit is saying, Amit, are you saying option C for this one? Praful, option A. Sandeep Mishra is saying it's 50 lakhs invoices 1 crore, which is totaling 1 crore. That is option C. Or Praful, this time is also with option C. So let's have a look. The correct option this time. Yes, you guys are correct. It's option C. That is RXIL, which is a trade reversibles discounting system, TREDS platform in short. Clear? It has reached a significant milestone by financing over 50 lakh invoices, which amounted to a total of rupees 1 lakh crore. Clear? And friends, this achievement underscores its role in providing essential working capital solutions to the MSMEs, and it also highlights its capacity to support the economic activities of small and medium enterprises. So yeah, that's it for this question. I hope there is no kind of technical issues or any problem which is hindering this session from your side or mine. So yeah, coming to the next question, what is it asking us? Next question is asking, what is the primary purpose of the $500 million financing which is provided by IFC to the HDFC Bank? If you guys have gone through the news, the current news, then you must be knowing that IFC has provided $500 million finance to the HDFC Bank. Now, what are we supposed to answer? We have to answer the primary purpose. It is asking the primary purpose of this finance which is provided by IFC to the HDFC Bank. Now, let's have a look what are options being provided with. First is saying it is to fund technology upgrades in banking. B, to provide educational loans. C, to increase microloans for underserved women. Or D, that is to support corporate financing. One of my dear friend has already answered. Amit is saying it's option A, that is to fund technology upgrades in banking. Anyone else wants to answer? Praful is also with option A. Okay, so the correct answer, let's have a look. It is, my friends, option C. That is to increase microloans for the underserved women. Remember this thing in such a way that IFC has worked for the underserved women. What has it done? It has provided $500 million financing, okay, to the HDFC Bank. Why? To increase the microloans for the underserved women. Okay, Sandeep? So the correct option this time is option C. Now, what is IFC? What is IFC? IFC stands for International Finance Corporation. Okay. And IFC is basically an organization, friend, that invests. What's the work? It invests in private sector growth in developing countries to improve people's life. To improve people's living standards, you can say, or people's lives. Who is the current MD of the IFC? Current MD is Makta Diop. Makta Diop is the current managing director of the International Finance Corporation. And one additional information is there that IFC is a member of the World Bank Group. IFC is a member of the World Bank Group. And where are the headquarters? The headquarters of IFC are in Washington, DC in the United States. It was established in the year of 1956 as a private sector arm of the World Bank Group. Now, here is another name. The name is of HDFC Bank. This you will have to answer me. Who is the current CEO of HDFC Bank and where are the headquarters of HDFC Bank? This is a raised question from my side. May you answer me, Sandeep? My dear friend, I already answered. The full form of IFC is International Finance Corporation. Is it clear? I'm asking you guys, who is the current chairman of HDFC Bank? Okay, Sandeep Mishra has answered his name to be Shashidhar. So the current CEO of HDFC Bank is Mr. Shashidhar Jagdishan. Okay, Mr. Shashidhar Jagdishan, and the headquarters are in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Coming to the next question, I hope no one is having any kind of issue with this one. Next question is asking, what is the amount of the surplus transfer which is approved by the RBI to the government for the FY24? What is this question asking us? This is asking us the amount of the surplus, the additional finance which is being transferred and approved by the RBI to our government, to the Indian government, if we talk about the financial year of 24. Whether it is of rupees 1.76 lakh crore, 2.11 lakh crore rupees, 87,416 crore rupees, or option D, that is rupees 1.02 lakh crores. Anyone knows it? Praful is saying option C. Okay. So, the correct option this time, my dear friends, it's option B. Clear? It is 2.11 lakh crore rupees, which gives us the information that 2.11 lakh crore rupees is the surplus that is transferred and approved by the RBI to our government for the FY24. Praful has answered option C. Amit is with option B. Sandeep Mishra, you are having no clue of this one. No issues, dear. No one is having clue of everything. No issues. Now, I guess Sandeep Mishra, you got it. What is the correct option and what was that question asking us? Coming to the next question here, what is this question asking us? This is asking, what impact could the RBI's surplus transfer have on government securities yields? We have to tell the impact that the RBI's surplus, which we talked about in the previous question of ours, this surplus transfer have on our government securities yield, which we call as the GSEC yields. Whether it will increase yields, no impact it will be having. Whether it will have or lead to lower yields, make yields volatile. What is it? What will be the impact of RBI's surplus transfer on the government securities yield? Increase, no impact, lower yields, or it will make yields volatile? Anyone? Okay, so two have answered. Very good to see. First name is of Ranjan. Ranjan is saying option C. Second name is of Praful. Praful is also with option C. Great. The correct option this time, it's option C. That is, what is it? It is lower yields. What is the reason behind it? See, when RBI will provide surplus finance transfer to our government, okay, so it will basically lower the yield because it will soften the GSEC yield. And of course, it will lower the borrowing cost also. That's the whole reason why it is not having no good impact on our GSEC yield. On the other hand, it will afterward lower the yields. So the surplus transfer could allow the government to borrow less, which could soften our GSEC yields and lower the borrowing cost. Coming to the next question, it is asking what percentage of lower middle class consumers expressed interest in using credit on UPI according to the Home Credit India study. See, Home Credit India study, this is basically an whole authoritative study which provides details or a list of combined studies on various topics. Various, you can see various financial topics or the economic basis and all. So here it has provided a a new percentage of the lower middle class. Here we are talking about the lower middle class. Lower middle class consumers which expresses their interest in using credit on UPI. So whether 24% of the lower middle class consumers have expressed their interest in using credit on UPI, 42%, 64%, or is it 21%? What according to you should be the accurate percentage of the lower middle class consumer which is being expressed while or for using the credit on UPI? Amit is saying C, Sandeep, oh, pardon, Amit is saying A. Sandeep A, Hari is saying B, Ranjan A, Praful is also with option D. So, my friends, this time the correct option is 42. Reverse of 24, 42. That is 42%. Sandeep, it is dear 42. A number of you are with 24. Just remember it in such a form that just reverse it. What will it become? It will become 42. So the correct option is 42. So this study revealed that 42% of the lower middle class consumers are interested in using credit on UPI. What is the reason? Because of its benefits like quick loan access and ease of payments further. So Prabhat is saying option B, which is correct option. Coming to the next question, if in any of the question or whenever we are undergoing these sessions, you guys are having any kind of query, anything you want to ask, then don't you ever think that ma'am will get irritated or we will be interrupting the class, we will be rendering the class. It is never like that. We, the complete team of Knowledgist, why are we sitting here? We are sitting here just to provide our level best, just to provide our kidney, throat, heart, everything to you guys. So we are totally dedicated for your success. Till time you won't be asking us, we won't be, able to clarify the things in your mind, clarify the confusion which might be undergoing regarding any of the questions, any of the options or anything. So feel free to ask me. I'm not there to scold you or slap you out. I am your teacher. I am your guidance one. I will be providing you guidance, but it doesn't mean that I will be triggered or something. So feel free to ask. That's it. Coming to the next question. Next question is asking, what would cause 64% of consumers to stop using UPI according to this Home Credit India study? See, this is also an additional question or part 2 of our previous question. Here, Home Credit India study has also provided an information that 64% of consumers will stop to use UPI if this particular change will be taking place into UPI. Just think, UPI is running on a simpler basis. It is running on a simple basis the way it is right now. And what is that thing which will trigger 64% of the consumers to stop it from using? What will it be? Whether if UPI will become unavailable, if it will be have technical issues, if it will become chargeable, or if it will require additional verification. What according to you would be the reason that would act as a crucial reason for 64% of the consumers, such a huge amount, such a huge percentage of the consumers, to stop them from using UPI according to the Home Credit India study? Prabhat is saying option D, that is if it will require additional verification. Praful is saying option D. Anyone else? Anyone else would love to answer? I would love to go through your answers. Sandeep is saying option C. Okay, we will look after it. Anyone else? Just one more answer from you, your side, and ma'am will be proceeding. Anyone? So yeah, the correct option this time, this is option C, my friends. It is a basic common sense based question. It is. See, sometimes if UPI will be unavailable, no issues, people will be using money instead. Okay, the in the cash form of cash. Okay, if there are technical issues, they might be thinking because of the server or anything or the signal or the area they are in. It might be because of it. The direct impact will not be on the reputation of that UPI platform. If it will lead to additional verification, they will also be, going through it. Okay, let it be. We will give additional verification. We will add this step also, no issues. But in case it will become chargeable, if you will be charged 1 rupee or 2 rupee or 10 rupees on each and every transaction of yours, tell me by yourself, will you still be using UPI? You will be thinking, why would I use UPI when I'm having money? I can use it in the form of cash. Then why would I waste an additional amount of money while such small transfers or big transfers as well? So the correct option this time, my friends, yes, Hari, Jimmy, everyone is correct. Subhash, it is option C. That if in case UPI will become chargeable, then what will happen? 64% of the consumers will stop using it afterwards. Clear? So, yeah, that's it for this question. Moving to the next question, let's see what is it asking us. Next question is asking, which European banks are seeking RBI's approval for a third-party clearing model? Simple, we have to tell the name of the European banks that are currently seeking RBI's approval for a third-party clearing model. Whether it is option A, that is Barclays, HSBC, UBS, and Deutsche Bank. Whether it is option B, that is Credit Agricole, Societe Generale, Deutsche Bank, and BNP Paribas. Whether it is Lloyds Bank, Credit Suisse, ING, and BNP Paribas, or it's option D, that is Santander, HSBC, UBS, and Deutsche Bank. What according to you is the correct answer? Harsh Raj is saying time up. Time up for what? Harsh? So Prabhat is saying option B. Praful is also with option B. Let's have a look. The correct option this time, it is option B. That is the 4 European banks which are currently seeking RBI's approval for working as a third-party clearing model, for a third-party clearing model. These are the 4 that are the Credit Agricole, Societe Generale, Deutsche Bank, and BNP Paribas. Is this much thing clear to everyone? Is this much clear to everyone? See, whenever we talk about this thing, that is third-party clearing model, TPC in short, then what is this and what is the role of these models? These TPC models, these enable easier access to the cash market through segregation of trading and clearing their participantship. That's the basic work. And when do we call anything as a third party? A third party in any business is any individual or organization that provides services or products to an organization or its customers on behalf of that particular organization. In a simple form, if you want to understand what is a third party in any business or banking sector, then it is any entity or individual that a company does business with. Clear? I guess this question is also clear to everyone. Is anyone having any kind of query, any question, anything? Because that's it for today's session. We will be meeting tomorrow again with same person, same time, and same platform. That is the platform official channel of our Knowledgist. And we, the team of Knowledgist, we are 24/7 available for you all. Go check it out. The link that is being provided you in the description box of our videos, of this video particularly. And there you will be getting the complete information of our complete batch, a new batch that is being provided for the upcoming exam of LBO, that is the local bank officer. Okay. So yes, great. If you are having no issues, bye Sandeep, bye everyone. I hope these classes are quite beneficial for you guys. So we will keep on meeting on a daily basis here. Till then, signing off, Pragya this side. Bye bye everyone. Namaste. Bye.